Congratulations on getting your GHL Plugins account set up. First thing that we're going to do is show you in this video how to link your agency, as well as add the script. So you're going to be able to start using these tools, not only at your agency level, but within the sub accounts. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you're logged in is you're going to click over here to your user. You're going to click on this, and then you're going to go to settings. From there, you're going to put your agency name here. So we allow you to be able to white label all of these tools. From there, just simply go to customization. Here's where you're going to be able to put in your nav bar color, to theme your agency the way that you want to make it look the way you want to. Agency script. So copy this code, go over to your agency, and then drop it into the company settings where it says JavaScript, right? Tool. There are going to be a series of tools that are going to work over your agency. And then there's going to be a lot of these tools that are going to work actually within the agency that your clients will be able to use. But we'll learn more about that in future videos. Till then, welcome.